In a world where recovery is rushed, we teach the science of healing. Welcome to the Department of Physiotherapy at lovely Professional University, where healing is hands-on and every movement matters. At LPU, physiotherapy goes beyond textbooks. It's powered by Edu Revolution's 50-50-50 formula. 50% learning through real-world clinical projects. 50% beyond the classroom. Less lectures, more hands-on healing. 50% of grades earned through practical work, not just written exams. From the first semester, students actively assist in real cases, rehabilitating athletes, restoring mobility, and supporting recovery journeys. You'll train in state-of-the-art physiotherapy labs, equipped for electrotherapy, exercise therapy, biomechanics, and more. With opportunities to earn while you learn, students gain field experience in sports clinics, hospitals, and fitness centers. All of this unfolds in one of India's most advanced campuses. With Olympic standard indoor sports arenas, clinical simulation zones, and a community that inspires excellence. With top healthcare recruiters, immersive internships, and a highest package of 8.4 LPA. This isn't just education. It's your launchpad to becoming a caregiver, innovator, and leader in modern physiotherapy. Lovely Professional University, where healing begins.